How to find backup messages in Google Drive. So if you want to see your backup messages on Google Drive, let me show you step by step whether it is possible to see them. So after you open up the Google Drive on your web browser, so you first step by clicking on this My Drive. After you click on the My Drive, so here you'll be able now to see all your folders and your files. If you scroll to down like this one now, let's say you have backup messages from your WhatsApp or from your Facebook or from any app that has a backup to your Google Drive. If you come to this option after you click on the My Drive, so if the backup is available for you to see, you'll be able to see them if you click on this My Drive button like this one. But if the backup is like from Facebook, Messenger, or any chat app, I can just tell you that the backup is not available for you to see. The backup are encrypted. They can only retrieve your backup when you are signing in into that app, and that's it. You cannot see the real backup of your messages from the Google Drive. If you just open the Google Drive, you can only get the backup messages when you are signing in into your Google Drive. And that's it, guys. Hope this video helps. Like, subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.